that's my cousin.
Angelina, show me love.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it.
Got it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt. On my knees said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back.
Don't be dumb, young man. Gotta do it yourself.
It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. Shoot the beat is like a pussy and I eat it up and beat it up and leave a picture. You cannot compete with this. I'm moving in and out of traffic and I cannot like a wait. Is that us on the radio? Wait, is that us on the radio? Always dreamed of when I had peach bud. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's nuts. I'm eating chicken wings and onion rings. If you're wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no puppet strings or the company. We sucker free. I ain't tripping on what the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly.
You see me in the club.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Angelina, show me love.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
But she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:35. The moon wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. Eyes nothing open along the way, hoping to find some forgotten words or ancient melody. Turn to me as if to say, my boy's waiting there for you.
Slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold that little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Carol, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. I'm bad hustling. You can't tell me nothing. I'm Brad Pitt's ugly cousin. But when you're drunk at the wedding, still gon' fuck.
Me in the club.
That's my cousin.
Angelina, show me love.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it.
You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a black suit. No can do, no, I don't work for free. I used to smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple drink. Yeah, that shit did not work for me. And now I just set herbal tea. I'm posted at the swap meet in the road, eating church's wings. So cold, no emergency.
See me in the club.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Angelina, show me love.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
Brad Pitt, that's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you got it, let me see it.
Did it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing, I knelt. On my knees said, God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back.
Don't be dumb, young man. Gotta do it yourself.
It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed.